Hey, come walk with me for a moment, literally. After weeks using the NordicTrack T Series every single day, I can tell you this isn't just a treadmill. It becomes a ritual. A reset. A place your mind and body start relying on without you even realizing it. This is for you if you're the kind of person who wants more than random workouts. You want structure, momentum, a way to move that actually fits into your life instead of interrupting it. If that's you, take a quick look at the current price and stock while you're listening. These units swing in and out fast, especially during demand spikes. I knew I needed an upgrade when my old treadmill started feeling like a chore. The belt felt stiff, the motor stuttered on inclines, and the noise made every workout feel heavier than it should. I kept pushing through, but there was a point where I realized I'd outgrown that just get it done phase. I wanted something that supported me instead of draining me. The first time I stepped onto the NordicTrack T Series, the feeling was different. It's stable without being heavy. Responsive without being loud. The cushioning underfoot gives your joints this subtle relief that makes you want to stay on just a little longer. And when you start using the guided workouts, the incline shifts and pace changes feel natural, almost like having someone who actually understands how to challenge you without breaking you. You'll notice it in your mornings. Instead of dragging yourself into cardio, you step on, press start, and let the treadmill set the tone for your day. You'll notice it at night, when you finish a walk or a run and feel the stress slide off your body. You'll even notice it on days you're tired, when the treadmill actually helps you loosen up instead of pushing you into burnout. If you're thinking about it, check the link again mid-video. Price jumps and stock dips tend to hit at random times. And yeah, you might be wondering if you'll actually use it enough, or if it's worth choosing a premium treadmill rather than saving a little money. I had that thought too. But once you feel a machine that runs smoothly, keeps pace perfectly, adjusts instantly, and doesn't sound like a jet engine, it's hard to picture yourself going back to something weaker. Every time you try to convince yourself to choose a cheaper model, you circle right back to this, because you know your health deserves reliability, not frustration. One thing that surprised me most was how natural the movement feels. I didn't expect a treadmill to feel this close to outdoor running. That smooth belt glide, that subtle shock absorption, it makes long sessions possible in a way low-end treadmills simply can't. Owning it brings a quiet kind of pride, too. Not the showy kind, the kind where you walk past it and know you invested in something that's going to make your life better every single day. The stride feels lighter and safer, the workouts feel guided instead of random, the smooth incline changes challenge you without jolting, the cushioning makes long runs easier on your body, the consistency keeps your routine alive. If there's a downside, it's that it takes space, and once you rely on it, skipping days feels harder, but that's also what makes the progress stick. If you're stuck comparing models, this is the moment where you stop. At some point, you choose the treadmill you already know matches the life you want, the one that keeps you moving, focused, and grounded. So check the link below, see the current price, and step into the upgrade your future self will thank you for every single day.